because Tongan was the language of the foreigner. Now let's
Yeah.
just pause right there.
Yeah.
Okay, what we have heard many times, because Ha'amoa is the Samoa, the new interpretation of Samoa is the sacred center, and that the Tu'imanua who exists then, they were the ones who were navigating everywhere, right? And traveling everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
If that is true, why is Tongan then the language of the foreigners? What that tells us is they were not the long distance navigators. They were the inter islands in that region. They knew of the Tu'imanua, they knew of all these other Marietoa and all these other chiefs, but the language of the foreigner is Tongan, meaning who's the one doing the long distance traveling?
Mm. Mm.
The Tongans are doing the long distance traveling, right?
Mm.
This also coincides with, remember, that oral history review of the Ha'amoa oral history. What did they say? When they talked about Ha'amoa, Fiji, it was always mythical, right?
Yeah.
But with stuff with Tonga, it was very almost like firsthand, very practical things, which they came to the conclusion, oh, it's because they're getting their information about Fiji and Tahiti from the Tongans. The
Mm.
Tongans are the ones bringing this information because they're the ones going to Fiji. They're the ones going to Tahiti. They're the ones going all over the long distance travel.